Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On behalf of the Computer Science Students Association, allow me to extend a warm welcome to you. Hi, my name is Alfiah as the Chief Executive. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about something that interesting related to technology and AI. And if you have any questions later, I will gladly answer any of your questions at the end of our presentation. So, communication and information technology is the science used by humans in channeling information or message with the aim of helping solve problems and achieve goals. And the internet, as one of the impacts of new technological development, can be a door to the entry of knowledge from various parts of the world. And currently, the internet is abuzz with an AI robot. Can anyone guess what it is? Yes, it's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a powerful AI bot that is capable of understanding human speech and producing in-depth writing that is easily understood by humans. And the questions answer format used in ChatGPT make it more interesting. But what exactly is the function of ChatGPT? One of ChatGPT's functions is to assist user in creating text-based content such as creating essays, speech, and letters. It can also produce content such as articles and blogs, then answer customer questions, translate text, helping in web development, related problems like coding, debugging, and more, and giving any kind of historical information. From the previous explanation, we can definitely understand that this AI provides many advantages, right? However, this hectic phenomenon is bound to produce a variety of different opinions. And this leads me to my next point, which is the pros and the cons of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a couple of pros that OpenAI can brag about and it will not have any objections. This AI tool is very efficient. Firstly, you get any kind of answer to your questions instantly, where previously it might take hours to research, understand, and write an article. But now, we have ChatGPT can write a good article for your reference in seconds, like done. And the application is very wide. No matter what industry or job you are in, as long as you consult, it can quickly summarize the information you need most urgently from the huge database. And last but not least, it's free to use, so there is no cost issue for using it. But in spite of having a huge advantage, there are also some cons of this AI. First, despite of giving answers to almost every question, it has its limitation, means it can provide some solutions. Second, though it saves time, but also hampering the creativity of people. Third, getting a solution from it easily, people may lose their interest in hard working because you have ChatGPT. Why you have to hard working to search something that you want? And the fourth, in the future, it can be proved that to be a threat for reducing the thinking capabilities of anyone. The fifth, as it gives solution from its data most of the time, we don't justify those answers are wrong or right or inappropriate. And the last, the most important point of these cons is it can slowly destroy human intelligence if people will more dependable on it instead of using their abilities. Well, those are some of the pros and cons of ChatGPT. In the end, we can say ChatGPT is impactful and efficient, and there is no doubt, in spite of having some advantages and disadvantages, it is a revolutionary thing for humans. But we all should keep in mind that we should not dependable on it. Yes, we can take help from it, but we should believe in our thinking capabilities, our human intelligence, and our hardworking mentalities. We should always keep remembering that there is no AI or chatbot is bigger than human intelligence. So, we have 15 minutes left over. Does anyone have any questions? That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. See you in our next event. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.